How to enable two-factor authentication on Instagram. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can enable two-factor authentication on Instagram. To do so, first of all, you need to open your Instagram application on your mobile device, and here make sure you are logged into your account. Once you're logged into your account, you'll land on this homepage. Here at the bottom right, tap on your profile picture and then you will reach your profile page. In this page, here you will need to tap on the three horizontal bars at the top right. Once you tap on it, now you will be taken to settings and activity page. In this page, here you will need to tap on account center on the top. Once you tap on it, you will reach to this page. Here scroll a bit down and tap on password and security. Once you reach inside it, here you will be able to see two-factor authentication option. Tap on it and here you will need to choose your account. Tap on your Instagram account and after doing that, here you will get two different options to add two-factor authentication on Instagram. Whether to use the authentication app or the SMS or WhatsApp code. If you choose this authentication app, you will need to download the Authenticator application on your mobile device. You will need to go to the Play Store of your device and there search for Authenticator app. Once you have downloaded one of the Authenticator application, now tap on this next button at the bottom. You will reach to this page. Here you will be able to copy the key and view the barcode. You can tap on this view barcode and this will present you with the QR code. Now you can take screenshot and then now you can open your Authenticator application on your mobile device. Unlock it, tap on Verified ID option at the bottom right and then here select Scan a QR code option. Once doing that, you will need to scan the QR code of your Instagram application. Or you may also tap on Enter code manually, choose one of these accounts, add a name to this account, come back to the Instagram page, tap on this copy key and once you have copied it, now you can go back to the Authenticator application and then paste the code. Once you have pasted it, now tap on this finish button and you can see the account has been successfully added. Now you can tap on this Instagram option and then there you will see one-time password which is 6-digit code that the Authenticator application has generated. Now you can copy this code, long press on it and it will be copied. You will need to enter this in the Instagram application. Here, open your Instagram application page and tap on next button below. Now in this page, here you will need to paste the 6-digit code that is generated from Authenticator application. After that, tap on this next button below and wait for a while. Now Instagram will provide backup codes. You can tap on this backup codes and save these codes in a secure place. Once you have done that, now tap on this Done button to finish enabling two-factor authentication. Now here you will see you have successfully added two-factor authentication on Instagram. So by following these steps, Instagram account is secured with an additional layer of protection against unauthorized access. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.